Good morning, everybody, and happy Sunday. Today is a no makeup day. We did not go to church this morning because Colton is still sick. If you've been watching my videos, you know that Colton woke up on Friday with 102 fever. He tested negative for COVID, but has all the signs and symptoms according to the nurse practitioner, and likely, since he is still sick, he likely has COVID. So she said that if he was still feeling bad by Sunday, he probably had it, and it just didn't come up positive. So we are headed to Target because Aubrey has a football game that she's cheering at on Friday, and they have a specific uniform that they want them to wear. So we're gonna head to Target, so let's go. All right, we decided to make a quick trip to HomeGoods because it's right next door, so why not, right? Oh, these are cute.
Is that the kitty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool. Look, there's a little Jack Skinny Tony.
Cute.
Mine's Jack Skellington.
Yeah.
Well, you can actually put on the dials.
Oh, this is cute.
Huh.
I love all of this stuff. The big arch and this sign.
I like the arch.
Dead and breakfast. Look at this.
Dead and breakfast.
This is so cool. Oh, that's cute.
I really want to get one of the ghosts that were over there on the couch. Those are so cute. Like, they're so cute. It's just like kind of big. They're so cute. What is that? What is this?
That's what Halloween town looks like. Well, it doesn't shape. Oh,
You have to push the button.
well, it doesn't work.
Oh.
It's only supposed to light up.
Oh.
Mickey Mouse bat lights.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Mommy, look,
Yeah, look how cute these glasses are.
look like when you're doing those little.
So we decided not to get anything at HomeGoods, so now we are in Target. Cute little cups.
Oh, they have like.
We need another blanket.
And I wanted to try to find the Stitch onesie.
Okay.
That's so cute. Alright.
Let's look over here.
I want like something like this.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's a skirt.
Yeah, it's
no,
like a skirt. But I want like something like this.
Oh, did you find some?
That's a medium,
Yeah, you need here.
maybe like a large.
Yeah. Does that work? Okay, cool. Are there any other shorts you need while we're here? There's a dark pink.
Yeah.
If you like those, they have a large in this one.
Yeah.
Do you like these?
Yeah. I like the
Okay.
dark. Like,
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. I have one like this, but it's black.
the only hoodie I want to get.
Buy two, get one free.
Oh,
Here's some.
they're over there.
Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Oh, I like the hoodie.
Look at those shorts.
Look, the shorts and the hoodie. I would definitely wear this. Oh my god.
Is this set?
That set, that is
Here,
so
show me.
cute.
Here, show me the set. pink. You can't really tell in here. It makes it look white, but it's
And
like a
then
really
the
pretty
back.
pink color. This is part of Champion's new line. Do you need socks? There's ankle socks.
I want like something like this, like right here.
These just have a little, oh, let's see. So here's what I'm wearing to Target. I have my old school, I call
So
it vintage,
cute.
vintage boo, posty, ghosty from the Post. Just some shorts. We're gonna look through the sales stuff over here, the clearance.
The Clara.
The clearance.
The Clarence. Alright.
Oh, I think I have that shirt. No, that's not my style. These are cute little sweater shirts here. They have it in like a cream, a pink, an olive, and a gray. Oh, these are super cute. Like, do you ever look at some of this stuff and you're like, how is it that all of these influencers find like the super cute stuff, and when you're walking through Target, you find none of that here? Like, they had a super cute dress that I would love to find, huh? But I can't find any of that stuff that they had. This is cute.
Yeah.
It's an extra large though. I couldn't wear an extra large. These are super cozy. But I need more shorts. Like, again, like I need a hole in my head. I have so many pairs of shorts.
Moment.
Yeah. Okay, so here's where I found all that super cute stuff that I was saying, like influencers have been wearing and putting on. It's so cute. Look, it's blue and black, a skirt that matches it. It has even like a long trench coat here. This is in navy blue. Over here they have the brown and the camel. I grabbed this one right here for work because I think it is super cute. I also grabbed this because I can wear this with like a jacket over it and some nice pants. So I think this would be super cute. But this is totally where it's at. Like, see, they have the mannequin wearing the dress that I picked out, and then this trench coat. How cute is that? This is also cute too. This like this a lot. That's cute too. This is cute. Now, if it had pockets, it would be perfect. But it does not have pockets.
For shopping.
All right, so we finished at Target. We went for one pair of black shorts and left with a bunch of clothes for my daughter, a dress for me for work, and a bunch of pajamas. Yay! But you'll catch the whole video on YouTube, and I'll fit what I can on everything else. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.